Hello students, I hope you all are feeling good. We are doing linear equations and I hope till now you are able to understand how to solve linear equations. In exercise 10.3 I explained you 6 questions. Today we will do the remaining questions of that exercise. Let us start with second question. Question is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is 50 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Now, you know, in an isosceles triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal. So when we have an isosceles triangle, there we have two sides equal means if these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are known as base angles. The angles opposite to equal sides, and third angle is known as the vertex angle. And in an isosceles triangle, as two sides are equal, so base angles are also equal. Alright, so in this answer, here we will start. As in an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Therefore, let each base angle be x. If two base angles are x and x, then vertex angle is given 50 degree, and we know angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Means the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Alright, so when we apply this property, we get here x plus 50. Two base angles and vertex angle is equal to 180 degree. And when we solve the equation, we get here x plus x 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. 2x is equal to 130, x is equal to 65 degree. It means we got base angles as 65 and 65. You can verify your answer just by adding these three angles, 65 and 65, and third is 50 already given to you. You will get their sum 180 degree. Alright, I hope you have understood. Next question is question number 3. Gagan's father is 45 years old. He is 5 years older than 2 times Gagan's age. What is Gagan's age? So we will consider here, let Gagan's age be x years. Alright, father's age is given 45 years. Now if you will read the statement carefully, Gagan's father is 45 years old. He is 5 years older than 2 times Gagan's age. 2 times Gagan's age means Gagan is x years. So 2 times of it means 2x. And he is 5 years older than 2 times means plus 5 to 2 times of x. Alright, so father's age is 2x plus 5. Alright, and in number he is given 45 years old. So father's age 45 is equal to 2x plus 5. And when we simplify this equation, we get x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 means Gagan's age is 20 years. I hope you got it. Question number 4 is, a man is 3 times as old as his son. After 15 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Find their present ages. So in these type of questions where age is given, we always start with present age. We will take their present age be x. So here we are given man is 3 times as old as his son. So we will take let the present age of son be x years. So man is 3 times of it. So man's age is 3x. Now next is after 15 years he will be twice. So what will be their ages after 15 years? After 15 years means plus 15. Son's age will be x plus 15 and man's age will be 3x plus 15. What we did? We did plus 15 to both son's age as well as man's age. Alright. Now after 15 years he will be twice old as his son. So according to question, the age of man after 15 years is equal to 2 times the age of sun after 15 years. So we got the equation as 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 into x plus 15. Now we will open the bracket here. It becomes as 2x plus 30. We collected x terms in one side, numbers on the other side, and we got x is equal to 15 here. So x is equal to 15 means sun's age is 15 years and man's age is equal to 3 into 15, 45 years. Alright. Now next question 8 is the sum of present ages of Anil and his father is 5 years. 6 years ago Anil's father was 6 times as old as Anil. Find their present ages. Alright, now again we are given the age of Anil and his father. So we will consider, let the Anil's present age be x years and father will be 54 minus x. Why 54 minus x? Because we are given the sum of their ages is 54. It means if Anil is x, father will be 54 minus x. Alright, then we are given 6 years ago. 6 years ago means 6 years before. It means we have to subtract 6 from their present ages. Alright, so Anil's age 6 years back was x minus 6 and father's age is 54 minus x minus 6. Alright, so 54 minus 6 is 48 and minus x here. Now we will apply the condition here. We are given that Anil's father was 6 times as old as Anil. So 6 years back Anil was x minus 6 and father was 48 minus 6. Now father's age is equal to 6 times son's age. So 48 minus x is equal to 6 into son's age, x minus 6. Now you can open the bracket and simplify this equation. I hope you can do it. Next question 7 is the length of a side of a triangle is 6 cm. The second side is twice the third side. If the perimeter of triangle is 18 cm, find the sides of the triangle. We all know there are 3 sides of a triangle. So we will take here, let S1, S2, S3 be 3 sides of the triangle. Alright, we are given one side is 6 cm. So S1 is 6 cm. And second thing we are given is the second side is twice the third side. So second side means S2 is equal to twice the third side means 2 into S3. Alright, and what is the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter means sum of the length of 3 sides. It is given is equal to 18 cm. Sum of 3 sides means S1 plus S2 plus S3 is equal to 18 cm. We put their values here. S1 we have taken 6, S2 is 2 times S3 and S3 we will write as it is, S3 is equal to 18. Now S3, 2, X3 plus S3, it means 2 plus 1, 3 S3. Alright, and when we take 6 to other side, we get 3 times S3 is equal to 18 minus 6. Side 3 we got here 4 cm. And when we put its value in S2, we get 2 into 4, that is 8 cm. So both the sides we got here, S2 is 8 cm and S3 is 4 cm. Alright, next question number 15 we have the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 5, ratio 6. Quadrilateral means a 4-sided figure. When we have a 4-sided figure, it means it must be having 4 angles also. Alright, and we are given their ratio. So we will take, let first angle is equal to 2x. Why 2x? Because ratio is 2, ratio 3, ratio 5, ratio 6. So each ratio will be multiplied with x. So angle 1 is 2x, 2 is 3x, 3 is 5x and angle 4 is 6x. Alright, and we know in a 4-sided figure sum of angles will be equal to 360 degree. Alright, so when we put here sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, it means angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 360. So we put their values here and we solve the equation here. X comes as 45 upon 2. Alright, we put the value of x in all four angles and we solve them. We are getting all four angles here: 45 degree, 67.5 degree, 112.5 degree and 135 degree. When you will try this question on your own, you will be able to find all these angles. Alright, next question is, Rishabh scored thrice as many runs as Varun. Together their runs fell 8 short of double century. How many runs did each one score? So here we will take, let Varun scored X runs. Alright, and we are given Rishabh scored thrice as many runs as Varun. It means Rishabh will score 3x. Alright, and together means sum of their runs. So the sum of their runs is x plus 3x, and it is 8 short of double century. Double century means 200. 8 short means minus 8. So we got equation here, x plus 3x is equal to 200 minus 8. And x plus 3x is 4x is equal to 192. We get the value of x as 48. It means Varun scored 48 runs. Rishabh scored 3 times of it, means 3 into 48. Alright, let us discuss next question, number 14. The question is, a man bought some pens at rupees 5 each and some pencils at rupees 3 each and paid a total of rupees 100. How many pens did he buy if the number of pens and pencils is 26? Now the number of pens and pencils is 26. If we take the number of pens bought be x, then pencils bought will be 26 minus x. Alright, because the total of them is 26, one is x, other will be 26 minus x. Now we are given the cost for each. Now the cost of x pens at rupees 5 each. So we will get here 5 into x, and the cost of pencils, that is at rupees 3 each. So it will become 3 into 26 minus x, that is the number of pencils. And in total the price of pens is 5x and cost of pencils is 3 into 26 minus x. In total their cost is 100. So when we add both, we get here 5x plus 3 into 26 minus x is equal to 100. So this is our equation here, 5x plus 3 into 26 minus x is equal to 100. You can solve this equation to find the number of pens, that will come as x, and then you can put the value in 26 minus x to get the number of pencils. I hope you can do this question. Now in this exercise, question number 13 is left only. The question is, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 7. If 9 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. Now the first thing you must be knowing that how to write a 2-digit number. When we have any 2-digit number, how do we write? We write it in the form of tens and ones. O means ones place, T means tens place. For example, if I take a number 75, what does that mean? That 7 is at tens place and 5 is at ones place. Now you can see here the digit at tens place is multiplied with 10 and the digit at ones place is added to it. Then we are getting this number 7 into 10, 70 plus 5, 75. Alright, this is the way we are getting a 2-digit number. Alright, here we are given that sum of the digits of 2-digit number. It means sum of tens place plus ones place. So what we will do here, we will take let the digit at ones place be x and tens place will be 7 minus x. Why 7 minus x? Because the sum of both the digits is 7. It means if one is x, other will be 7 minus x. Alright, and we, as I told you, how do we write a two-digit number? The digit at tens place is multiplied with 10 and ones place is added to it. So that is why we are doing here 10 into 7 minus x. 7 minus x is digit at tens place, plus x, x is ones place digit. Alright, so when we solve it, we are getting it as 70 minus 9x. Alright, then we have, if 9 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. On reversing the digits means the digit at ones place will go to tens place and the digit at tens place will come to ones place. So that is why when we reverse the digit, number becomes 10 into x. X is, earlier it was ones digit, now we are writing it at tens place. Okay, and tens place earlier was 7 minus x, now we are writing it to ones place. And when we solve it, 10 into x plus 7 minus x, we got here 9x plus 7. Now we will write according to question what we are given. If 9 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. It means in the original number, if we add 9, we will get the number after reversing the digits. Original number is 70 minus 9x. We do plus 9 to it and we get the number after reversing the digit, that is 9x plus 7. Then we collect like terms in one side. So numbers are written 70 plus 9 and this 7 has come as minus 7. And here xx terms in this side. This 9x and this minus 9x will become plus 9x here. And we get the value of x as 4. Now we put the value of x in the number here. Original number was 70 minus 9x and when we put its value here, we get 70 minus 36 is equal to 34 is the original number. I hope you have understood it. Now I have discussed all the questions of this exercise with you. You people will do all these questions in your register with the help of this video. Alright, complete this exercise. Thank you, children.